Hello everyone, welcome in the video lecture 5.4. In this video we are going to learn different types of programs based on strings. We are going to now combine all the concepts which we have studied till now. We have studied till now strings, string functions, loops, if, everything we have studied till now. Okay, so try to understand how to make complex programs based on all the concepts we have studied till now, because on the basis of this only you will be able to expert making program yourself, right? One thing I would like to tell, there is nothing to learn except some syntax and basics structure of program. If you have understood about the syntax and basic structure of program, then you can write any program. So let's do it. The first example we have here, reversing a string. So we are going to make a program in which user is going to enter a string and that string should be reversed. So just open Python, take a string, suppose line equal to I am learning Python. So this string we have to reverse. The first thing we have, using this slice operator, just print a line in double colon in this slice operator -1. This is very simple method to reverse a string. Okay, string 5. So you can see complete string has been reversed in very single one line of code. Okay, nothing more we have to do. In Python, this is the beauty of Python. In single line of code we have reversed complete string. Okay, so what we have done, we have used a slice operator, means double this square bracket, under this square bracket put double time colon sign, then -1. How it is done, this colon sign will be means left hand side it is blank, starting is not given, so it will start from starting, and right hand side no value is given, so it will go till all. And if it is given with one more colon sign, so it means steps are given. So we are giving a step -1. -1 means from back hand side, so it will start printing from back hand side. Okay, so that is why complete string has been reversed, right? Now second method is using while loop. So for while loop we need to find out some we need to run the while loop, and we have to calculate first of all the length of a string. So for example, I am taking variable L equal to length of the string is okay, and we know we have to use indexing of the string. The indexing means we have to start from 0, 1, 2 like that. So we know if the size of this line is going to be 15 or 20, then index will start from 0 to less than the size of string. So that is why we have to take here -1, so that whatever size is there, so -1 will be the last index of string. So while L is more than equal to 0, okay, L means index. Now print what? Print line and put here L index and end. Okay, now don't forget to update the value of L equal to L -1, because it is going from top bottom to top, means in decreasing order. That is why. So now press F5. The same output we are getting here as we got in the beginning. With the help of first method, the same output is coming in second method. Okay, so this is very simple technique using while loop. We have converted the string to reverse order. Now let us check the second program. Check for the palindrome. So if we talk about what is palindrome, the palindrome means it is a program in which we have to check whether any word or string or phrase after reversing, if it is the same, then that is palindrome. If any string we are entering, if that string after reversing is coming as it is, whatever it was before reversal, then that is palindrome, means after reversing it should be the same string. Like madam is a word, MADAM. If you are reversing madam, then it will be the same line, a man, a plane, a canal, Panama. If you reverse this line without after ignoring the case and spaces, it will be the palindrome. So palindrome is a number or a string. After reversing that word or string, if it is coming the same as it was before, so that is palindrome. So how to do it? Let us do it. How to check palindrome? So in palindrome, just like the program which we have made here, okay, the same program we can use for checking palindrome. Very simple. So first of all, I am going to tell you without loop, and then we can use loop also. So I am putting into comment. So let us understand first of all without loop. Okay, I am keeping here one word. Suppose first of all word equal to madam. Okay, and after ignoring the case, so how to ignore case we will understood. How to ignore case we will understand here. So for ignoring case we can write word equal to again lower, double word dot lower. Okay, let us print, keep on printing if it is working fine or not. Okay, it's coming in lowercase. Now whatever value is there, it will be converted into lowercase, so that there is no problem in checking. Now we have to check when after reversal the word, then we have to reverse words. We have to reverse this word. So keep a copy of the word. A copy not required because in a string nothing is modified in the same variable. A copy is created automatically. Then no need to keep a copy of previous original word, right? So we can do what? Yeah, take reverse equal to word, use slice operator, okay, and double colon -1. It will provide you the reverse of madam. Okay, it's not showing, but if I'm writing here madam 1, then it will be okay. Okay, now it is reversed. So now we can check here if rev equal to word, means if the reverse value is equal to the previous original word, then we can write this is a palindrome string, or it is not palindrome string. Else it's not a palindrome string, right? Let us run. So this is not a palindrome string because 1 is there, and if we are removing here 1, this is also going to be palindrome. Okay, this is a palindrome string, right? Now come back. A man, a plane, a canal, Panama. If we try to enter that, a man, a plan, a camel, canal, Panama. Okay, let's try to reverse it. This is not a palindrome string. Why? Because here we have to put condition. We have to ignore the cases. We have to ignore spaces also, because spaces are not in the same number. So if you want to check what is coming after reversal, so we can print reverse value. So we can see it is coming like this. A man means space problem is there. So if you remove spaces also, then it can work in the same way. Okay, so how to remove that space? Let us see. To remove a space, we need to find out we need to search the space, and then we have to remove the space. So how to do it? So we have to run a loop. This is understood. This is one concept which we have understood, how to reverse the string. In this we have used concept of slicing. We have used one function lower, and we have checked if statement also. So in this way this program is completed. But if you want to go for more complex programming concept to check this is a palindrome or not, so we can use that also. Okay, so this is not palindrome, so better not to use this one. and if you want to use it, then no problem, let us do it. So it is done in the lowercase. Now do one thing, for ch in word, take a variable new word equal to string. A word, a new variable is type of a string in which we are going to hold the word without space. After removing space, we are going to hold the complete line. Okay, so now what is that? How to do that? If ch equal to single space, we are just checking if single character is a space, then use continue statement. Don't do it, otherwise new word equal to new word plus ch means concatenate the previous word. Now let us print. I am not using this right now. First of all, let us print it to check whether it is giving proper or not. Print new word, right? rev, where is the rev? Okay, this also we can put in comment right now. Okay, now it is coming without any space. Now what to do? Do the same thing, new word in the place of word. Now put new word means get the reverse copy of that, and already the original copy you have in new word variable, and one reverse copy we got into rev. So now we can check here if rev equal to new word, and this is palindrome, otherwise not palindrome. Sorry, remove this double quotes also. Let's again execute. So now this is a palindrome string, correct? So after, if you're not going to check the space and cases of the characters, if it is not in uppercase or lowercase, then we can check. Okay, this is also kind of palindrome string. Then we have done two programming till now. Understood? In this program we have used the concept of, first of all, one function, then we have used loop also, we have used continue also, we have used slicing also, and we use if also, right? Means all concepts are combined in same program. So with the help of this program you can understand how we can make a complex program with the help of loop, with the help of built-in functions, with the help of if statement, all together how to use. But keep in mind what we have to do. First you have to think. Okay, first of all we have to take a value from the user, then we have to convert into lower case, then we have to remove the spaces from that string, then we have to reverse the string, and then we have to check the reverse string with the old one, right? So all this process we have to think beforehand before writing the program. So that is known as dry run. So we have to do dry run also. Next we have counting vowels in a string, right? So we have to make a program, not function, in which we have to count vowels in the string, not consonant. Vowels are a, e, I, o, u. So how to, this is very simple. Let us do it. Suppose we have the same program. I am just putting into comment so that you can use it later on. I will be uploading on the website, so you can get it from there. So I'm just taking this one line from here, just copying one line. Okay, now in this word we are just going to check how many vowels are there. So very simple. If we have to count, so we have to count. So for ch, whenever we need to count any vowels in the string, then we need to iterate over the string. We have to traverse through each character of the string. Then we will be checking each character whether the character is vowel or consonant. If it is vowel, then we have to count it, right? So first of all, let us traverse through the string. How to traverse? Using for loop. So for ch, take a variable ch in word and just print ch. So what is meaning of traversal? So I want to tell this is traversal. Now we are going to check single character of the string. So we are able to find out and access single character from a string. So this is traversal. Now we have to check whether the ch is vowel or not. So if ch in, we can use membership operator a, e, I, o, u, or capital letter a, e, I, o, u. Okay, so we have checked if ch, if the character is found any of this, if it is found in this string, then we have to count it, right? So take a variable for counting c equal to 0, because we have to use for counting to initialize it with 0, so that key in Python can understand that c is a numeric variable, right? So c equal to c plus 1. And now bring this print statement out of loop, because we have to print complete calculation. So total vowels in the string found, comma, we can print c here. So let's run it. So total vowels are 10, right? We got the output. So we can check manual also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Only a is there. Okay, let us change. I am going to school. Okay, let us check in this string. So total vowels are 7. So let's cross check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, correct. So got it? Great. Okay, so next program we are going to do. Okay, what is our next program? Find the longest word in the sentence. Longest word in a sentence. The program, like input, we are entering I love Python programming in Python. Sorry, I love programming in Python. So programming is the longest word in the sentence. So in this program we have to do, see, first of all we have to take input from user as a sentence. Then we have to find out single word from the sentence, and then we have to check the length of each word, and then we have to compare whether the word is longest one or not. Okay, so let us do. So I'm writing a line equal to, this is about Python programming. Okay, so in this sentence, you know, programming is the longest word. So how to do? First of all, we have to find out single word from this sentence, because this is complete one sentence, one line, and we cannot check directly. So we need to split it. So we need to use a split function. So how to use split function? So take a variable word equal to line dot split, and split how? Split using space. Okay, and after splitting, just check it. After splitting the sentence into words, split function returns the response in form of list. So you will get a string of list. You will get list of strings. You got it? Yeah, you got it. Single. Now in the same way, how to iterate over the list? The same process. So for w in words, so we can write here words, and we can use single word. So for words in words, right? So we have to check the length and take a variable for checking the length. len 1 equal to 0. len 1 equal to len function. We have to pass word, single word will come here. Now we will check. Take one more variable. highest equal to 0. If highest is more than ln 1, or we can say if highest is less than len 1, then transfer highest equal to len 1. Okay, and immediately and we also have to count the position of that word in the programming. We can store we can take a variable to store the word also, hw, for storing the highest word. Okay, and hw equal to will be word. I am telling the concept again, I will tell, don't worry. Once again I will tell the concept how I am using. And if highest is less than len is going to be previous length, suppose this 4, so 0 is okay, 0 is the highest and 0 is less than 4, so 4 will come here, and this also will come into this. Okay, done. And at the last just print highest word hw. Okay, okay, let us try once. Okay, now it's coming highest word programming. Again, if I am writing here, suppose I am writing here this is about Python tutorials. Okay, let us check. The tutorial is coming as highest, and if I am adding in this some characters which is making it highest, so we can check that is going to be highest, right? Highest word. Now let us understand how it is being done. Once again let us calculate. First of all, see what we are doing first in this program. First of all, we are splitting this complete line into single words. So with the help of this split function, we are splitting on the basis of space. We are finding single word, and a split function returns list of strings, right? So now words variable will be having a list containing strings, and that will be single word. Okay, single element. Now we are taking a variable for finding the length. We are taking a variable for checking the highest length, and a variable to hold the word which is highest word. So now we are iterating, we are traversing through the list in the same way as we are traversing in the string. So traversal is having the same process using the for loop. So for word in words means list of strings. So now this will be single word. So at a time word will get single value, then single value, then single value. Okay, so now we are finding the length of the word. The first word is here this, so this length of this is 4. If highest, the value of highest is 0, so 0 is less than 4, yes, condition is true. So now highest will get 4 and HW will get this. Again this loop will proceed. Now is will come, so the length of is going to be 2. So now 2 is less than len, because highest was having 4, so 4 is not less than len. This will not take place, means this 2 will not take place. Now again next word is about. So about is having 5. So 5 is highest was having 4 last time, so 4 is less than 5, yes, it is true. So now this 5 will go to the highest, and HW will have now new word about in the place of this, that will be overwritten. In the same way Python is again having the 5 letters, so it will not fulfill the condition, it will not replace values. Now it will go to the next word which is having programming. So programming is having the more number of letters than previous one. This condition will be true, and the new word will be coming to programming, and in the same way it will go to the new word. And if for example our programming is this highest word is going to be placed here, so what will happen, basically when this is going to be the highest word, so the highest variable will get the length of this, which is 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Okay, and no other word are going to be more than 11. So this condition is not going to be true, then no any other word will be replaced into HW variable. So that is why this program is good for printing the highest word in a sentence, not in sentence, in complete paragraph also. Okay. Next program we have to remove duplicates from a string. Means any string is there, and if in that string any duplicate character is coming, so our program should remove duplicate characters. Okay, so let's do that. For example, we have this line programming in which we have duplicate characters. Okay, so we have one method, set method, which is used to hold only the unique values, right? So we can use that set method, set function, to remove duplicate characters. But for that we need to convert string into list, and then accordingly we have to do. So let's just do. So first of all, convert this line into list. For example, I'm taking variable word equal to list. I'm passing line. Then this line will be converted into form in the form of list. And now print set and print word. Now let us see. Okay, so now it is printing everything, and but it is printing in the form of string. So how it is printing in the form of list, so we need to print into form of string back. So what we can do in such a way, or we can hold, suppose, new word equal to, okay, and then we can do one thing here, print str equal to new word. No, it is not good. Then new word, set word. So new word will be your list. Take a word again, take a new variable, suppose x equal to we can not here, yeah, define x equal to blank as a string for new for ch in new word, x equal to x plus ch, and print. So it is coming like this. The order has been changed, right? The order has been changed because of the conversion process. It is not coming the same format as it was supposed to come. So but the program is able to change the duplicate value, right? There is another method in which we can remove the duplicate letter from the string or complete program, but for that we need to do very long programming, in which we have to check single character, and if it is repeated then we have to skip it like that. Okay, so let us try that also. This is one program, and okay, let us try that also. Another method. So we will take one example for ch in line. We will iterate, and we will hold the value ch1 equal to ch. Okay, if yes, we got it. Yeah, take a variable here, new line equal to blank string. Okay, now for ch in line we have to iterate, we have to traverse single character, and if ch is not in new line. If ch is not in new line, it means कि if the character is not in the new line, then only new line equal to new line plus ch, transfer that character. If it is not present in the new line, if it is already present, means one variable is already there, then do not take it. Okay, and just print. What to print? New line. Let us check. So now it is coming correct. Programming means double R is removed, PROGR is removed, M is removed, so it is coming properly. So this is good technique. So once again understand, we have taken a variable line and we have taken another variable new line for removing the duplicate character from the string, and will store into this. So now we have to iterate single character, and we have to check whether the character is not in the new line. If it is not in the new line, so obviously it will concatenate to the new line. So first of all, ch is having p and new line is having blank. So ch is not in, means p is not in the new line, it will be added. R is not in the new line, it will be added to the new line. O is not there, it will be added. G is not there, it will be added. Now R is already in the new line, so it will not be concatenated, it will be skipped. In the same way it will go on. Okay, this is done. Next we have anagram check, a program to check whether two strings are anagram or not. Anagram means containing the same characters in the same sequences, ignoring spaces and cases. Means if we have silent and if we have listen, two words, then if both the words are having same frequencies of characters in same numbers, then that is anagram. Okay, so this is also a simple program. In this program we have to use one method, one function, which is sorted function. So let us understand. Suppose we have two words here. Okay, why I am removing, sorry, this will be helpful for the next example. Okay, take word 1 equal to silent, word 2 equal to listen. Okay, now first of all we can convert both the word into lowercase. So w1 equal to word 1 dot lower. Okay, and w2 equal to word 2 dot lower. Now both words we have transferred to lowercase. Now take w1 equal to w1 dot sorted. Sorted method or sorted function is used to sort the string characters. Okay, it will not take w1 as it is, we have to pass w1 in this inside of the sorted, we have to pass w1. So now w1 will do what? It will sort all the characters in ascending order by default. The same thing we have to do for the w2. Now the concept is here, we have to check whether both the strings, both the words are having the same number of characters and in same frequencies or not. So simply, if it is in the same number of characters and same frequency, it will be matching. So if w1 equal to w2, then print this is anagram, otherwise not. This is not anagram, this is anagram. Okay, so it's coming true. And if I'm writing here silence, silence, and then we are checking, so this is not anagram. Got it? Simple program. Okay, so in this way we can understand how to use logics. Means till now whatever concept we have learned through all the lectures, we are able to make program on the basis of all the concept. So we can combine the concept of functions, we can use the concept of if, we can use the concept of loop. So wherever concepts are required, we have to use those concepts. If there is any doubt in any question, any program, so you please may send with the help of comment, or you can send WhatsApp. I will discuss you directly. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much.